What's up guys, and welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki channel. In this series I'm going to talk about HTML, and in another series I'm going to talk about CSS, JavaScript, Python, React, APIs, and everything you need to know about website and backend and frontend developing. So let's get started. First of all, you need to know about web browsers. Which web browser you must use. Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge are the best browsers now available. Don't use Internet Explorer because Internet Explorer is really deprecated and you can't use it with HTML5. And you need to another things, text editors like Notepad, Windows Notepad. That's it, just it. If you wanna start your web language or your HTML learning, you can just use Windows Notepad. And many other text editor available like Sublime, Notepad++, Visual Studio Code. And the popular one nowadays is Visual Studio Code. And you can easily download it from code.visualstudio.com. Here it is. If you wanna download for your version of Windows or Mac or OS or Linux, you can download it here. Windows x64 user installer. Just click on this and you will prompt with a download progress. I've already downloaded it and installed it on my Windows, and here is Visual Studio Code. You will see this Windows when you open your Visual Studio Code for the first time. So we're going to use a Explorer here and create a folder for our projects, and we can use like this HTML app. And now everything we put will be here. We put in this folder will be here, and we can use that. We can find that on our computer. Create new file, index.html. Index.html is the main website file that you will have when a browser looking to a website like google.com, like facebook.com, twitter.com. It will go to index.html. And before we start coding, you must install a extension for this Visual Code Studio with Live Server, and you can find that here in Extension tab, Live Server, and here it is, like this. As you may know, I've already installed it, and you will see this install button here. If I click here, you can see it like this. And now we are ready to create our first website. For HTML5, we need to type, as you can see, I just start the tag and it shows me code type. This shows the browser that it is a HTML5 page. And now we are going to start writing our tags. HTML. Everything is going to be in this tag. HTML head, body. Here we can type our title like this is my first website. Okay, and here we can start our code like hello world, and just Ctrl S, save it. And we need to start our live server. Start my live server, it will go to Microsoft Edge. And we have some tags that it shows a heading for the website like H1. And when I save, you will see what changed here. You can see this is h1, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is how headings work. It is just for you should remember these tags and everything. This is a tag, and everything in here is called an element of the web. And we can use the p tag or paragraph tag here, and you can write here everything, or just lorem and click on tab, and you will see a lorem ipsum will be generated for you. Control S, and you can see here. And if I wanna use one of these tags here, I can use it easily by h1. It is not recommended, but you can use this like this. As you can see, it will go again h1, heading 1. That's it, guys. This is the first video of this series. Hope I'll see you in next videos, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, like it, and share with your friend. So that's it, guys.